Hi, today I'm going to quickly show you what's inside an Ocoopa 10,000 milliamp hour hand warmer. This is a really nice product that our family uses quite a bit when we go out in the cold weather. You can turn this on, keep their hands warm. This is the 10,000 milliamp version that we have here, though I'm sure the other ones open pretty similarly as well. So first, in order to open it, you sort of need to find the seam where this rubber is, and then you sort of need to peel it back a little bit, and you'll see on either the top bottom part of it there'll be a bit of a seam, which is where it connects. So I found usually the best way to sort of open this up is you sort of peel this back and then use something like a screwdriver like this, and you sort of just get it into the seam right there, if you can see it. Look for the seam, try to get it in there. And then once you get it in there, you sort of just turn the screwdriver and it sort of pries it open at that one spot. Then you proceed to another spot a bit further down and then repeat. And the process seems to work pretty well. So I'm just going to try to get it in this first spot right here. Oops, pry it open. I admit this does tend to scratch it a bit. So it might not be in perfect condition when you finish with it. Might be some scratching. Just trying to find a good spot here. So you try to just got it in there a bit, and now I sort of just pop it open a bit. And now I try to hold it a bit, but you don't really have to, but you can move on a little bit further and then pop it a few more times like that until you get the whole shell of it open here. And then the whole top panel just comes off entirely. And then you can open it carefully. And then what you have inside here is a hand warmer attached to the exterior heater, sort of attached to the exterior metal plate here, which is the part which warms up. So then these two wires here would be providing the power to the hand warmer. And then inside it here, it actually does seem to have the advertised 10,000 milliamp hour batteries. So it has two 5,000 milliamp hour batteries, which is really good because I think some of these hand warmers are deceptive. I've seen others where it looks like they don't really have their advertised battery capacity. So in my case, I was just wanting to look quickly at the hand warmer. You don't need to unscrew anything. You can sort of basically just remove the battery, and you can have a look at the second hand warmer on the other side of it. And also, if you look really closely here, you can also see two wires going to two really small wires here, which I assume are probably what's going to a temperature sensor on the far side of the panel, and that's how it knows to control the temperature of the hand warmer pads. So in my case, one of my heat panels stopped working, and it was actually this back one. And if you have a quick look at this wire right here, it's actually the soldering here actually came loose from the heat panel there. So for me, luckily, it's a really simple fix. But actually, I just directly contacted Ocoopa, I think is the name of the company, and through their support, because I bought this something like 5 months ago, and they immediately just asked no questions and basically started shipping me a new one to replace it, which is great. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to repair this one myself, and then I'll happen to have two of them, which would be pretty awesome. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching.